This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Figure out what is wrong and get Scrat to the acorn. Okay, well, let's hit run and see what it's doing. It's a lot of code. All right, so we move forward, we turn right, we move forward, turn right, forward. No. Oh, did you see that when he jumped in? All right, so we jumped on this tile. Remember, you can always use step and watch it go one line at a time to look for errors. So I move forward, turn right. I don't think I meant to turn right way up here. And right here is where we turn right and jump into the boom. Okay, so let's see. Also, notice we have an extra block. They would like us to only use 9 blocks. Currently, there's 10. So let's see. If I jump, I'm thinking this should be left. All right, let's run this. Because, again, you can run and be wrong forever in Code. Well, not forever, but so often. Just keep running it to make sure you don't have bugs. So that seemed like we had one more forward than we needed because I jumped forward, and really I should be going right. And this is how debugging actually works. You process code kind of one step at a time. And, oh, we got it. And we were at 9 blocks. Huh, awesome. Let's keep going.